Someone requested me to cook for them pig's feet and pig's ears today, and I was like, okay, let's do it. So today I'm going to be sharing how to make pig trotters stew, plus the ears, of course. And it's a very simple recipe and it came out very tasty. Yeah, so just keep around and watch the video. So for the stew, I used garlic, ginger paste, green capsicum, tomatoes, one large red onion, spring onions. You'll be seeing the rest of the ingredients afterwards. So in my pan, I'm just adding the pig's feet and ears. And as you know, the pig has lots of fat. So I'm not adding any oil. It's just a plain pan. Just add them to the pan and they'll begin to produce their own oil. If you've not tasted it, I'm sure you're there saying, how does it taste like? Trust me, it's very, very tasty. You have to just give it enough time to cook. I cooked this for 2 hours for it to be ready, for the meat to be falling off the bone, just like cow's feet. It also takes a long time to cook. As you can see, they've produced lots of oil, so I fried them in their oil until they were crunchy. The skin was crunchy and golden brown, as you can see. Just give it time to cook, and then I'm going to reduce the oil because it's too much. As you can see, I've reduced and I've just added the red onion. I've used a large red onion. Yeah, onions have lots of flavor in them. Just fry them until they're translucent, then add your ginger and garlic that I just pounded at home and fry until you can get the aroma from the ginger and the garlic, and don't let them burn. So I'm now adding my capsicum and spring onions to the pan. The spring onions and the capsicum are also going to give us a very good flavor for our stew. Then add the tomatoes. I used 2 tomatoes. Just fry together with the meat and let them cook until they are soft. So right now I'm just going to add my tomato paste to the pan. I've used about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, mustard, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and then just stir, mix everything together. I want all the things to infuse together. Soy sauce, I've used about 15 mils of light soy sauce. In case you're going to use the dark soy sauce, just use very little. And then I've added 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. Salt, remember we have used soy sauce, so I'm going to use little salt because we don't want our stew to be bitter. So right now I'm just adding in my vegetable stock. I would have preferred the brown stock, but I didn't have it, and I normally make my own stock at home. So what I had is the vegetable stock, and it's what I've added to this pan. So as you can see, it's boiling. It's just like 30 minutes into the boiling and most of our stew has reduced. So just keep on adding stock until your trotters are ready. I've just added more and I'm just going to let it cook until it's ready. As I told you, it cooks for 2 hours for them to be ready, to be soft enough for you to eat them. They take quite some time, so you have to just be patient and let them cook. It's 1.5 hours into the cooking, so I'm just going to let it simmer on low heat for another 30 minutes until they're ready. As you can see, our stew looks very good. It is highly flavored because of the vegetables that I used and the stock that I used, and it's going to become thicker than this. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna have my trotters with steamed sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.